शाहरुख खान ने बहुत लोगों की लाइफ बर्बाद की है। मैं मरियम का एक वीडियो देख रही थी जिसमें उसने कहा कि फॉलो योर पैशन। सही है। इट वाज रियली नाइस टू listen to her talking about passion and how sensible it is, things like that. एंड देन आई रिमेम्बर्ड समथिंग जो कि मेरे दिमाग में बहुत सालों से चल रहा है। मैं अपनी लाइफ के एक बड़े हिस्से को मैंने मुंबई में बिताया है और जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं मुंबई किस चीज़ के लिए जाना जाता है। इट्स फेमस फॉर स्ट्रगलर्स। सो आई हैव दिस फ्रेंड इन मुंबई, some 30-year-old guy, very talented but not overly talented, and he's trying to become an actor. One day we were talking and I asked him, and this is something that I wanted to ask him for a very long time. ये बात बड़े सालों से मेरे दिमाग में चल रही थी और मैंने फाइनली उससे पूछ लिया। मैंने कहा तुम मुझे एक चीज बताओ, तुम्हें क्यों लगता है इस मुंबई शहर में यहाँ पे जो बड़ा बड़ा है स्ट्रगलर्स के साथ, तुम्हें क्यों लगता है कि तुम कुछ बड़ा कर लोगे, कुछ अच्छा कर लोगे? और ऐसा नहीं है कि वो अच्छा नहीं कर रहा है ऑलरेडी। ही हैज़ डन अ फ्यू वेब सीरीज, a few advertisements here and there, a few projects. So not that he hasn't done anything, but he hasn't done anything big, anything great as yet. So when I asked him that why did he think that he would make it big, he said something that got me thinking. He said, Sonal, if Shah Rukh Khan can do it, why can't I? So fair enough. Though it is not completely wrong. Yeah, if Shah Rukh Khan can do it, anyone can do it. But the fact is, there is just one Shah Rukh Khan. I mean, मतलब मैं तो एक ही शाहरुख खान को जानती हूँ। उसके अलावा मैं ऐसे बहुत से लोगों को जानती हूँ। मतलब शाहरुख को पर्सनली नहीं जानती हूँ, बट ठीक है, आई नो अबाउट हिम। बट आई नो पर्सनली अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु केम टू मुंबई विद द सेम माइंडसेट कि शाहरुख ने किया तो हम क्यों नहीं करेंगे। मैं इतनी ज्यादा पॉजिटिविटी को देख के थोड़ा हैरान होती हूँ कि और मुझे ये भी लगता है कि ठीक है, आप एक शाहरुख का एग्जाम्पल दे रहे हैं, श्योर ही हैज डन ग्रेट फॉर हिमसेल्फ, बट व्हाट अबाउट ऑल दोस पीपल हु केम टू मुंबई एंड डिड नथिंग? मतलब एक शाहरुख के पीछे ये जो ट्रेनों में भर भर के लोग आते हैं, उनका हिसाब कौन दे? कौन बताएगा, कौन उनका हिसाब रखेगा कि भाई शाहरुख एक आया था जिसने लाइफ में बहुत अच्छा किया, आधी मुंबई को खरीद लिया, बल्कि पूरी मुंबई, पूरा दुनिया खरीद ली, लेकिन उन लाखों करोड़ों लोगों का क्या जो इसी पैशन को फॉलो करते हुए मुंबई आए और उन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया, जो किया वो काफी नहीं था। फिर मैंने अपनी एक और दोस्त की तरफ देखा और उनके बारे में भी सोचा। He's no more, and he was also an actor. He followed his passion, but bit late. He was in some government job. He finished his job. He got married, got his children married, got them settled. And he finished all his responsibilities, and then he thought of following the passion, which was again good. Knowing him and looking at him, though he was a great actor, he could never have become a Shah Rukh Khan. And I guess he knew that too. He was more of a character artist kind of a person. But this is what I'm talking about. It's not about whether you need to follow your passion or you won't follow your passion. The thing is, there would be a time when you would realize that you had wasted your life doing something that you might not be very good at. And when that time comes, most of us do not agree to it. We do not accept it because we already had invested a lot of time. We already have done a lot of things to follow that passion, that it's very difficult for us to accept that we made a mistake. So follow your passion, sure, or follow your passion after your responsibilities. So there are a lot of things, whether you have responsibilities or not, whether you have the skill set or not, and a few other things. But more than anything, the most important thing is when you realize that you have made the mistake, that's the time when you need to decide if you can leave this passion and become like can move on to something that is better. So follow your passion, but do it sensibly. But what I'm talking about is not something that young people would understand. It's not something that people would understand in their 20s. I hadn't understand like no anything like that when I was in my 20s. Even I wanted to do a lot of things that I might not had the skill set for. But now I know I am more self-aware. I know what I can do. I know where I made mistakes, and more than anything, I have accepted my mistakes. So follow your passion, but always keep in mind whether you have the skill set for it or not, whether you have the time or the liberty to follow that passion, or uh, if you're ready to accept when the right time comes that whether you have made a mistake or not. Thank you for watching.